Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want to become an AI engineer, one of the highest demand and highest paying roles in tech, this video is your complete roadmap from beginner to advanced. We are not just listing topics, we will explain what to learn, why it matters, and how it connects, so you can actually become job ready. Let's get started. Number one, AI is built on mathematics. You don't need to be a math genius, but you must understand the core idea. Start with linear algebras like vectors, matrices, dot products, why it matters, neural network use matrix operation, calculus, derivative and gradients, why it matters, train models, mean optimization using gradient, mathematical analysis, understanding functions and limit have in understanding model behaviors. Differential calculus learn how small change affect output. For example, when training a model, we adjust weight using gradient. That calculus in action. Number two, statistics. Statistics is the backbone of data understanding. You should focus on probability and sampling, understanding randomness and data distribution, central limit theory, why sample mean becomes normal distribution. Hypothesis testing. It is for making decisions from data. A/B testing. It is for comparing two versions, for example, to AI model. Increasing test sensitivity. It means detecting small but important change. Ratio matrix. It also means metrics like conversion rate or click-through rate. For example, when deploying an AI model, you often test if the new model is better than the old one. That A/B testing. Number three, econometrics. This is where statistics meet real-world data. You should learn prerequisite. It is for understanding strong statistics. Regressions, it is for finding the relationship between variables. Time series, it is for analyzing data over time. For example, stock price and trend. And fitting distribution, it also for understanding how data behave. For example, predicting future sales based on past data mean time series analysis. Number four, coding. Now we move into implementation. You must learn Python programming, the number one level of AI, data structures and algorithm, large array, list, tree, and sorting. They are important for efficiencies and interviews. Actual, it is for querying and managing data. There are several key Python libraries like pandas, numpy, and scikit-learn. So please focus on writing clean, readable, and efficient code. Number five, exploratory data analysis. Before building a model, you must understand the data. There are several steps. Data understanding. What does each column mean? Data analysis. Identify patterns and anomalies. And visualization. You chart to explore data. There are several tools, such as Matplotlib and Seaborn. For example, find outliers, missing values, or trend before training a model. Number six, machine learning. Now we build model. Start with classic machine learning. Supervised learning means classification and regression. Unsupervised learning means clustering and dimensionalities reusing. Then move to advanced ML. Ensemble method include random forest and gradients boosting and neural network basic. For example, predicting customer churns and classifying email as spam. Number seven, deep learning. This is where AI become powerful. Learn architecture include fully connected network. It is a basic neural network. CNNs, convolutional neural network. It is for image recognition. ONNs means recurrence neural network. It is for sequential data. LSTM, it is just used for improving ONN for long sequences. Transformer, it is a modern AI model, and it also used in ChatGPT. And transfer learning, it is for reusing pre-training model. For example, CNNs used to detect object in image, and transformer used to understand language. Number 8, MLOps. This is similar to the word DevOps, but it is for AIs. LM means machine learning. So this is what separate beginner from real AI engineer. We should learn model deployment, include APIs and cloud deployment, and CI/CD for MLOps. It is important when we want to automate training and updates model. Monitoring model in production. For example, deploy a model using Splash or Fast API and host it on cloud platform. So that's your complete AI engineer roadmap. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start with Python and Math, then move step by step into machine learning and deployment. Consistency beats intensity. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe and share. And remember, AI is not magic. It must code and practice. See you in the next video.